Hi, hello everyone. Good morning all. Are you enjoying rainy season? Yes. Today is Wednesday and you will watch this video on Thursday. Okay, and Wednesday it's raining outside, so it is very much rain outside. So today I will make you learn one rhyme which is related to rainy season. Okay. See, dear students, why I am telling you this rhyme, because daily giving the lectures, no direct interaction with you, it is sometimes it is quite bore for me and for you also. Okay, so let's take a change and I will tell you one very interesting rhyme which is related to rainy season. And I know you all are the students of class 3 and you all are taking very much interest in the rhyme. So let's start. Yes, rain is falling, chama cham cham. Rain is falling, chama cham cham. We all are dancing, dhama dham dham. We all are dancing, dhama dham dham. Coffee, pakoda and samosas bite. Coffee, pakoda and samosas bite. Rainy season, grey delight. Rainy season, grey delights. Children are making paper boats. Children are making paper boats. Look at the people in raincoat. Look at the people in raincoat. North, south, east or west. Rainy season is the best. Rainy season is the best. Yes, dear students, rainy season is the best season. Yes, so this poem for a small change. Yes, now today we will start the new chapter. Today we will start the new chapter. Okay. Yes, definitely. This is class 3 and today we are going to start new chapter. Chapter number 3. New chapter, and name of the chapter is Our Dresses. The name of the chapter is Our Dresses. Yes, dear students, you already learnt many things about our clothes, our dressing sense in class 1 and 2. आपने ढेर सारी बातें, ढेर सारी चीज़ें क्लास 1 और 2 में भी सीखी थी, which is very much related with the dresses. Okay. Then first question definitely is raised in your mind is that why do we need a clothes? Why do we need a clothes? Clothes की ज़रूरत हमें क्यों पड़ती है? Okay, so first we will discuss about point number 1. Okay, the point number 1 is that why do we need a cloth? Okay, why do we need a cloth? This is question number 1, and this question always raises in all of students mind कि हम कपड़े क्यों पहनते हैं? Why we do need to wear clothes? Why do we need clothes? Clothes की ज़रूरत हमें क्यों पड़ती है? Clothes हमारे लिए क्यों ज़रूरी हैं? See everyone, see we all are human beings. We all are human beings, and human beings has 3 basic needs. Okay, we all are human beings, हम सब इंसान हैं, and human beings has 3 basic needs, और हम सबकी 3 सबसे important needs होती है. needs means ज़रूरत, we called needs in हिंदी ज़रूरत. okay, बाकी तो सारी चीज़ें जो होती है वी आर फॉलोइंग लाइक आर शौक, हम उनको शौक की तरह देखते हैं. बट वी ह्यूमन बीइंग्स हैज़ 3 बेसिक नीड्स. ओके, व्हाट आर दोज नीड्स? आई विल टेल यू. फर्स्ट नीड इज फूड. फर्स्ट, टू स्टे अलाइव इट इज़ वेरी मच required for us to food. सबसे फर्स्ट ज़रूरत जो है, फर्स्ट प्राइमरी नीड्स ऑफ ह्यूमन बीइंग इज दैट फूड. यस, फूड इज वेरी मच नेसेसरी टू स्टे अलाइव. ओके, राइट? यस, सबसे हमारी पहली जो ज़रूरत है वो होती है फूड. फूड इज वेरी मच रिक्वायर्ड टू स्टे अलाइव. हमारे को ज़िंदा रहने के लिए सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी क्या होता है? फूड. ओके, देन हाउस. यस, एवरीबडी नीड्स अ हाउस टू लिव इन. ओके, एवरीबडी नीड्स अ हाउस टू लिव इन. सबको रहने के लिए घर की ज़रूरत होती है. सपोज after departure when you will come to school, then your school time will over. आपका स्कूल का, आप स्कूल आए, आपने पढ़ाई की, then it's time to departure, और आपकी छुट्टी का समय हो गया, and it's time to departure. Then what you will wait, what you will do? You all are in very hurry to go to house. आप सब लोगों को घर जाने की बहुत जल्दी होती है, right? It means what? It means suppose if you don't have house, अगर आप ऐसा सोचो कि आपके पास घर नहीं है, suppose you don't have a house, then where you will go? आप कहाँ जाएंगे? Where you will stay? Where you will spend your remain hour? आपके 8 से 9 घंटे तो you will spend in the school only. आप उसको स्कूल में गुजार लोगे. What about remains hour? जो बचे हुए घंटे हैं उनका क्या? आप वो कहाँ पर गुजारोगे? Where you will spend remains hour of your day? So definitely second very much required thing is house. Second very much required thing is house. And third, clothes. Yes, and third need is that clothes. Clothes is very much required to cover our body. Yes, so we need 3 things. We human needs 3 things. Okay, we have need 3 things. First one is what? Yes, we human need 3 things. Things in our life. Okay, first one is what? First one is food. First one is food. Okay, food is very much required. Food is very much needed to stay alive. Food is very much needed to stay alive. Okay, food is very much needed to stay alive. हमें जिंदा रहने के लिए सबसे पहले खाना चाहिए. Okay, when we all and second thing is house. See dear students, जब हम आदिम मानव थे, जब हम पुराने समय में आदिम मानव हुआ करते थे तब भी हम खाना खाते थे, बट वी ईट रॉ मटेरियल्स. दैट टाइम वी डोंट नो, दैट टाइम वी डिडंट नो हाउ टू कुक अ फूड. उस समय हम ये नहीं जानते थे कि फूड को कैसे कुक किया जाता है, बट वी नीड फूड टू स्टे अलाइव. लेकिन उस समय भी हम जिंदा रहने के लिए खाना ज़रूर से ज़रूर खाते थे. बट वी आर टेकिंग food in raw form. We are taking the food in raw form. Okay. Now, second important needs of human is that house. Yes. We all need house to live in. We all human beings need a house to live in. Yes, house. We all human beings need a house to live in. Okay. Why do we need a house? हमें घर की ज़रूरत क्यों होती है? We need a house to live in. If we don't have house, then where we will go? Where we will stay? Okay. We ourselves very much feel comfortable in our houses. Okay. We all human beings are very much comfortable in our house only. आप कभी भी कहीं पर भी कितना भी बाहर घूमने जाओ, but you always hurry to come back to your house. आप सबको जल्दी से जल्दी घर आने की पड़ी रहती है. Why? Because we all are feeling very much comfortable in our house. हम सब अपने अपने घरों के राजा होते हैं. And house gives us comfort, cozy. Yes, हमें house हमेशा आराम देता है और coziness देता है. And see, when you will go out for roaming, okay, for one place to another place, for one state to another state, but we always need a house. We all are in very hurry to come back to our houses. So we all human beings need a house to stay alive. And the number 3 is clothes. Yes. And the number 3 is clothes. Yes, clothes is very much important for our life. Why? Because clothes cover our body. Yes. Once again we will come on this question. Why do we need clothes? हमें clothes की ज़रूरत क्यों होती है? Yes, clothes protect our body from heat, cold, rain, insect bite. Okay, clothes protect our body from heat, cold, rain and insect bite. Okay, and they also make us look smart. And clothes also make us look smart and decent. Okay, so we human needs 3 things in our life which is very much important, and these 3 things are basic needs of our life. First one is food. Yes, food is very much needed to stay alive. And second one is house. We all human beings need a house to stay alive. And clothes. Yes, and clothes. So today we are going to start the chapter number 3, are dresses. Today we are going to start the chapter number 3, are dresses. This chapter number 3, I am showing you in front of your camera. Yes, are dresses. Okay, this chapter we are going to start today. Yes, so how many things we will learn in this chapter? It is very much mentioned over here in this bracket. Number 1, we are going to learn dresses of man and woman in different part of country. Number 1, we are going to learn dresses of man and woman in different parts of the country. Then second, we will learn uniform and the special dresses. And second thing, we are going to learn uniform and the special dresses. Okay, yes. When you will come to school, what you will wear? Your mama gets you ready. All the boys will wear the shirt and the matching trousers. Okay, and all the girls are wearing the shirts and the matching skirts with the tie. Okay, so this is your what? This is your school uniform. When you will come to school, then you will see, okay, oh, all the boys are wearing the same kind of shirt and trousers as like me, and all the girls are wearing the same kind of shirt, skirt and tie as like me. It means what? It means this is the school uniform. And when you will sit in the bus, or when you will go out, okay, it means when people will see you, then definitely they will recognize you. Aha, this is the students of GPS school. Yes, they are wearing nice uniform, neat, clean, and with clean and polished shoes. Yes, so it means when we will come to school, then definitely we will wear school uniform. Okay, and suppose when you will go any birthday party, what you will wear? If you are a boy, then what you prefer to wear? आपको क्या पहनना पसंद करोगे? So boys especially like to wear jeans, shirt or t-shirt with the jacket. Okay, this is your party wear dress. When you will go for any party or birthday party or marriage, then you will wear the new clothes, and this new clothes makes you what? Makes you smart. जब भी हम नए और अच्छे कपड़े पहन के जाते हैं, we are looking smart ना, and we are feeling very much confident. Yes, today I am looking very handsome. आज तो मैं बहुत अच्छा दिख रहा हूँ. And mama and papa also tells you, wow यार, आज तो बहुत प्यारे लग रहे हो आप, चलो काजल लगा देते हैं साइड में, है ना? So parents are saying like that. If you are a girl, that definitely, and you will go to birthday party, then what you prefer to wear? आपको क्या पहनना पसंद करेगा? आपको फ्रॉक, फ्रिल वाली फ्रॉक और इवनिंग गाउन. Okay, so when you will wear this type of fancy clothes, it means you are going out for any party or any marriage, and this fancy clothes makes you look smart, है ना? And what? And more confident also. When we will wear nice clothes, then definitely we get the confidence. हमें बहुत सारा confidence आता है, हम बिल्कुल स्मार्टली चलते हैं, स्मार्टली बातें करते हैं लोगों से, है ना? So it means what? It means dresses has the types. Okay, dresses in different form. If you are a boy or if you are a girl, definitely you will wear different clothes. Okay, yes, so here we will talk first about, we all need clothes to cover our body. Yes, it is very much correct. If we will not cover our body, then what we will feel? We will feel shame. Yes, we all will feel shame. Okay. Then sometimes mama will make you change your clothes. आप क्या बोलते हो मम्मा को? मम्मा फटाफट पहना दो, दीदी मुझे देख लेगी या भाई मुझे देख लेगा, मुझे शर्म आएगी ना. So we all need clothes to cover our body. And second important thing is that clothes protect us from the all seasons weather. Okay, clothes protect our body from the heat, cold, rain and insect bite. Okay, they also make us look smart and decent. When we will wear proper, neat, clean and tidy clothes, then definitely we all look smart and decent. Here word decent, you have to underline the word decent. Yes, insect bite and the decent, these two words you have to make the underline. आपको इन दोनों words को underline करना है. Okay. Yes, now I am going to read line number 4. As people eat different type of food in different parts of country, what is written over here? It is very much written over here is that we all are eating different foods. Okay, in different parts of the country. As like we all are wearing different clothes. जैसे हम सब लोगों का खाना, उनकी हैबिट्स, फूड हैबिट्स जो है वो डिफरेंट होती है. एज लाइक दैट वी ऑल आर वेयरिंग दी डिफरेंट क्लोथ्स इन डिफरेंट स्टेट और इन डिफरेंट एरियाज. ओके. यस, द ड्रेसिंग हैबिट्स पीपल डिपेंड्स ऑन देयर क्लाइमेट ऑफ एन एरिया. See dear students, when we learnt in chapter 2 our food, that time we learned food habits is depend on our habits. Okay, eating habits is completely depends on our food habit. जो खाने की हमारी आदतें होती हैं वो सारी की सारी हमारी फूड हैबिट मीन्स खाने की आदतों पर डिपेंड करती हैं. एंड वी आर गेटिंग द फूड हैबिट्स फ्रॉम आवर फैमिली ओनली. From our family only. As like that the dressing habit, कपड़े पहनने की जो हैबिट होती है, आदत होती है, the dressing habits is completely depends on the climate of an area. It's completely depend on the climate of an area. It means what? It means जो हमारी क्लोथ्स, कपड़े पहनने की जो हैबिट होती है वो कम्प्लीटली हम किस एरिया से बिलोंग कर रहे हैं, इट्स डिपेंड ऑन दैट. ओके, सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, व्हेन यू विल वॉच दिस वीडियो, you will watch this video on Thursday, then you will keep book and pencil with you and you have to draw the underline on this line. The dressing habit of people depends on the climate of an area. Okay, however some dresses are very common all over the country. So you have to underline these two lines. First one is the dressing habits of people depends on the climate of an area, and second one is some dresses are very common all over the country. So you have to draw the underline these two lines. Okay. Yes, let's learn about these dresses of woman and man. Now here is written, now let's learn, we will about the dresses of man and woman. See there are two category of the gender. First one is male and second one is female, man and woman. Okay, masculine and feminine. Only we have two type of category. Yes, so dressing of these two people are different because man cannot wear sari and woman cannot wear the lungi and the shirt. Okay. Yes, so here we will learn the dresses of woman. Here we are going to learn the ड्रेसेस ऑफ वुमन, वुमेन्स के लिए कौन कौन सी ड्रेसेस होती हैं, वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न. ओके, yes, first I will rub all these things, then we will talk about the woman dresses. So what topic I am going to take over here? Dresses of woman. Yes, topic number 1, dresses of woman. Okay, in this, see, first tell me one thing. When you have, maximum students have their grandmother and grandfather at home. Yes, am I right? Yes. So what attire is your grandmama is wearing? What your grandmama is, attire means clothes, kapda. Okay, what or which attire your grandmama is wearing? आपकी दादी आप क्या ड्रेस पहनती हैं? So all dadis are wearing the sari. All dadis are wearing the sari, and sari is the very common dress in India, and sari is the very common dress in India, and it is also our national attire, and it is also our national attire or outfit. Okay, attire and outfit, these are the same words. Okay, so what main thing you learned about the woman? First thing what you learned about the woman, especially in India, women are wearing sari. See, your mama, myself, I am also wearing a sari. Your grandmama, okay, your bua, mausi, auntie, they all are wearing the sari, because sari is a very decent attire in India, and it is very much common, and it is very much common. Okay, and women can wear different style sari in different states. Women can wear different style saris in different states. Okay, see, I will talk about your grandmother. Okay, see, all the grandmothers are getting ready in the morning. They wake up early in the morning. They have this type of habit. All the dadis are waking up very early in the morning. Yes, they are taking bath. Yes, after taking bath, they all are getting ready. They all are wearing the sari. Okay, and maximum grandmothers are wearing साड़ी. और वो किस टाइप से साड़ी पहनती? दे आर वेयरिंग साड़ी इन सीधा पल्ला. इन हिंदी वी कॉल व्हाट? सीधा पल्ला. ओके, सी, लुक एट दिस. राइट नाउ आई एम वेयरिंग द उल्टा पल्ला. दिस इज उल्टा पल्ला साड़ी. ओके, व्हेन योर ग्रैंडमदर इज वेयरिंग सीधा पल्ला साड़ी. ओके, सीधा पल्ला साड़ी मीन्स this part of the sari will come forward. Okay, and here I am wearing the ulta palla sari, and ulta palla sari mein this part of the sari will come the back side. Okay, so this is also the type of the sari. Yes, so sari is a very common attire in India. Okay, and it is very useful, and all the women who are living in different states, they are wearing different style saris. Yes, and we can guess the state to which a woman belongs by the way she wear her sari. Okay, suppose women, those who are living in West Bengal, they are wearing the Bengali sari. Okay, and women, those who are living in Nimar areas. Okay, in Nimar, we will talk about this Nimar area. All the women are wearing the Seedha Palla sari. Maximum numbers of women are wearing the Seedha Palla sari. Okay, so we will discuss more about these outfits in our next lecture. Okay, first I will read some names of the outfit. Okay, is that number one? The popular dress for women are number one salwar kameez with dupatta in Punjab, then ghagra kurta with odhni in Haryana, then ghagra choli in Uttar Pradesh, ghagra blouse with odhni in Rajasthan, and lehenga choli with odhni in Gujarat. Yes, so this is the famous attires of the different states. Okay, which who are wearing? Women are wearing all these attires. Okay, yes, now I am giving you a little work to do in your notebook. I am giving you little work to you in your notebook. Is that first you have to write the names of the dresses which wearing by the women's. Okay, first you have to write the common dress of the woman, is that sari, and you have to draw the picture of a sari also. You have to draw the picture of the sari. Okay, draw a picture of sari. Okay, then you have to draw the pictures of more outfits of women's, and you have to draw the more pictures of women's outfit. Okay, this is a little work which I am giving you to do at your home in your EVS notebook. What you have to do, you have to draw the picture. You have to draw the picture of ghagra, you have to draw the picture of choli, you have to draw the picture of odhni, you have to draw the picture of lehenga, you have to draw the picture of sari. Okay, all these outfits pictures you have to draw, and you can fill the color also, and you can fill the colors in all these pictures and make it colorful, and make these pictures very colorful. Okay, so this is the about our dresses chapter number. Once again I will revise all these chapters, whatever thing we learned in this chapter. Okay, first clothes. Why do we need the clothes? We need the clothes to protect our body from heat, cold, rain, winter, insect bite. Okay, and clothes makes us smart and decent. Yes, we all are eating different kinds of food, and we all are wearing different clothes in different states. See, as like we have food habits, as like we have the clothes habits also, and dressing habits of people depends on completely climate. हम किस climate से belong कर रहे हैं, हमारी dressing habit जो है वो completely इस बात पर depend करती है. Okay, yes, then we talked about the dresses of women. Today we talked about the dresses of women. See there, dear students, there are lots of dresses which we women are wearing. So I am giving you a little work. You have to draw the pictures of sari, lehenga, blouse, odni, choli. Okay, all these pictures you have to draw, and you have to fill the color accordingly and make it very colorful, and make all these things very colorful. So your notebook will looks good. Your notebook will looks good and colorful. See, today we will learn about clothes. We need a clothes to protect our body, to cover our body. Clothes protect us from all the seasons. And dresses of women. Dresses of women. Okay, sari is a very common dress in India. Sari is a very common dress in India, and maximum number of women are wearing sari in India, but they are wearing in different styles. All the women are not wearing the same kinds of sari. Okay, all the women are not wearing the same kinds of sari. Women are wearing the sari in different styles. Why? Because they are living, they are belongs from different place, different climate, different states. एक ही जगह पे सारी वुमेन्स नहीं रहती हैं. इंडिया जो है वो बहुत बड़ी कंट्री है, और यहाँ पे बहुत सारे स्टेट्स हैं, और हर जगह का वेदर, हर जगह का क्लाइमेट, इट्स टोटली डिफरेंट. ओके, सो वी ऑल आर वेयरिंग द डिफरेंट क्लोथ्स, different style sari in different states. So this all about this paragraph. This is the summary of this paragraph. This is the introduction. Then we learnt about the dresses of women, and then we learnt about the names of the dresses which the women are wearing, Women are wearing salwar kameez, घाघरा कुर्ता, ओढ़नी, घाघरा चोली, घाघरा blouse, lehenga choli, ओढ़नी, and sari. Okay, in all these attire, sari is the most common outfit for women in India, and all the women are not wearing the same kinds of sari. Why? Because all the women are living in different states, they are belongs from different climates, so all are not wearing the same kinds of sari. Okay, so this is today's lecture. I am going to over my lecture, I am going to finish my lecture, but before completing my lecture, I am giving you a little work. I am giving you a little homework. Okay. You have to draw the pictures. Tomorrow you will watch this video. Then you have to draw these all pictures of woman outfit in your EVS notebook. Draw it very properly. First you have to write the name of the number of the chapter. This is chapter number 3. Name of the chapter are dresses. Then you have to give the heading woman dresses. Then you have to write the heading. What is the heading? Dresses of woman. Okay. Dresses of woman. This is your heading. First number of the chapter, chapter number 3. Then you will write the name of the chapter. Then this is your heading, dresses of woman. Then Then you have to draw the picture. Then you have to draw the picture of sari, salwar, kurti, lehenga, choli, blouse, ghagra and all these, and fill the color very properly. Okay. So this little work I am giving you for Thursday. Yes, it is over from my side. We will meet on Saturday with dresses of man. Okay. So bye bye. Keep study. Enjoy the rain. Bye.